So you can see our video is generated. So let's open the video. If you want to use Veo 3 unlimited for free, this video is for you. So I will show you how you can use Veo 3 unlimited. So let's come to this website. So first of all, you can just search on Google like Gemini Gen AI. Then you will find this link and come to this website. Okay. So then you have to create an account. So I already create an account. So after that you can go to like here studio, just click it here. Then you will come to this dashboard. So here you will see this kind of models, but we are going to use this free one, Google Veo 3. So click it here and then you will see here is the model and it's a free one, Veo 3.1 fast. And here you can upload your reference image, but I will create video from like script. So here I'm just copying the script and pasting it here. Also here you can see the option like portrait or landscape, and here is the resolution like 720p 1080p, and you can select this, and here is the duration. You can select the duration, and here you can see this generation will cost 0 credits per video, and just click generate video and click here, and you will see your video will be in queue. So after some time the video will be created. So you can see our video is generated. So let's open the video. So you can see this is our video. So it's already generated. So you can download it easily. Just click here to download and you can download it. Let's try another video. So I'm just copying the script and coming to this website again and just paste for new. And also you can see this generation will cost 0 credits per video. So this is how you can generate the video unlimited. So you can see our next video is generating. So this is how you can generate video from here. So for now, when I'm creating this video, this website is giving us to generate video for free. I don't know how much time it will be like for free. I hope this video will be helpful. So let's see you in the next video. Thanks.